To understand about the solubility of carbon, we are going to take three conical flasks, and in that we are going to add up the liquids like water, kerosene and cooking oil, and we are going to add coal powder to each one, and we are going to stir it. When you will stir it, you will see that it doesn't get dissolved in the water, but it is getting dissolved in the kerosene. So that means it is getting dissolved, or it is soluble in the organic solvent. Right? Now we are going to see about the reaction of carbon with oxygen. Carbon with oxygen. Just imagine carbon, what you will get, just think over. Carbon reacts with oxygen. C plus O2. We are going to use the Bunsen burner. We are going to take coal. We are going to take matchbox, and we are going to take moist blue litmus paper. Moist means पानी में भिगाया हुआ. Okay. And why we make it moist? You will get a better result or immediate result मिलता है. Okay, with that you are going to get, but it will take little time. But if it is moist, then immediate result comes. Now what you will you see that when you are igniting the coal, ठीक है, कोल से कुछ जलने लग जाएगा, है ना? So when you ignite the coal, and with the other hand, if you hold the moist blue litmus paper over it, you will see the gas which is releasing turns this blue litmus paper red in color. Now if the blue litmus paper becomes red in color, so what must be the gas? Is it acidic, basic or neutral? The gas which is coming out from the coal turns the blue litmus paper red. Now recall your chapter of acid, base and salt, and tell me the given substance is acidic, basic or neutral? If you recall, pH पे भी मेरे less than और red के जो भी भाई बहन, that is all acid, and blue के सब भाई है, B for blue and B for base. This is how I asked you to remember. Okay, so it turns red, that means it is acidic. So acidic gas is there, and can you think of what gas it must be? What gas must it be? You can see these fumes. This is coal, that is carbon. Okay, heated in oxygen. What gas? It will be carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. That means carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Children, in the exam, you can have this diagram, and based on that, questions are there in your textbook also. On your page number 144, the questions are given, but they are not given the answer. You are expected to write the answer. So the question is, which gas in the air does the coal react on igniting? एयर में से कौन से गैस के साथ में रिएक्शन करेगा? सो आंसर इज ऑक्सीजन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द सब्सटेंस फॉर्म? सो आंसर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. थर्ड वन, what change takes place in the litmus paper? Blue litmus paper turns red. Fourth one, write the chemical reaction taking place. So C plus O2 gives you CO2. Right? So such questions can be asked, children, 3 marks to 5 marks. 3 question 3 marks, 5 question 5 marks. So like that they can ask the question based on it. Okay, so you please write down the answer, or at least take a screenshot so that you can write down later. Now we'll move towards the other experiment, which is a confirmation test of the carbon dioxide. So for that you are going to take test tube, you are going to take one straw, You're going to take freshly prepared lime water. Okay, you take little bit of lime, मतलब चूना लेने का, चूने के अंदर पानी डालने का, हिलाने का, उसके बाद में उसको थोड़ी देर रख देने का, और फिर ऊपर वाला जो पानी है ना, थोड़ी देर रखने में क्या होगा, वापस चूना नीचे बैठ जाएगा, और जो ऊपर का पानी है that is called as lime water. So that lime water you will take and you are going to blow into it this way. So you blow for few seconds, what you will observe that this lime water turns milky. It will turn milky. So when the lime water turns milky, it indicates the presence of the carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now to know about the carbon dioxide gas, let us understand in detail about the carbon dioxide today. So carbon dioxide molecular formula is CO2 and molecular mass you can calculate C plus O plus O, that is 12 plus 16 plus 16. So 12 plus 16 plus 16 is 44. So molecular mass of carbon is 44. And now the important property. The third important property of carbon is that it is having the melting point minus 56.6 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अभी यहाँ पे वर्ड है मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो गैस है ना, देन व्हाई दिस मेल्टिंग पॉइंट डाइऑक्साइड is having melting point minus 56.6, that means it must be below that, it must be in a solid state. That means we can get, अगर minus 60 degree पे जाओगे, then all that carbon dioxide will be in the solid state. Children, this solid carbon dioxide is also called as dry ice. It is also called as dry ice. See children, when the some things like ice cream and all which wanted to, suppose for example, Amul ice cream banta hai Gujarat mein, and then we wanted to have it, so we go to the general store. So all the transportation right from Gujarat to here, in a cold storage it is done na, transportation also. So in that अगर बर्फ लगे तो बर्फ का पानी जाएगा, और vehicle जहाँ पे जाएगा टप 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 पानी निकलता जाएगा, isn't it? So instead of that, they are using say dry ice, that is solid carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's an important thing you should remember about the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide occurs in nature in a free state and its extent is around 0.03 percentage. The exhaled air contains 4% of carbon dioxide and it is present in the salt of the chalk. Chalk मालूम है जो टीचर यूज करती है. So in that also it is present. Moreover, sahabalatiles. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना मेरे यहाँ पे आरस की लादी लगी हुई है. So that आरस it is nothing but the sahabadi tile. So in that also you will get. So Sahabara tiles, marble or limestone. Carbon dioxide is given out in the combustion of wood or any of the fossil fuel coal. कि कभी भी तुम कुछ भी जलाओ any fossil fuels, जो fossil fuel का तो उसमें कार्बन होगा ही. So carbon will react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. So definitely you are going to get the carbon dioxide. Okay. This was about the occurrence of the carbon dioxide gas in nature. Now we will learn about how to prepare the carbon dioxide gas in the laboratory.